Welcome back to Triple X Learnings. Today we have this question, that is x to the power x is equal to root under 7 to the power x plus 7. How we can solve this question? So here you are seeing that there are two terms, x plus 7 as a power over the root 7. So we have to separate these terms in this way. X to the power x is equal to root 7 power x into root 7 power 7 by using this formula. Here I have used this formula. Suppose e to the power m plus n, so that can be write as e to the power m into e to the power n. So I have used this formula to achieve this one. Now what I am just going to do, I am taking log on both sides in this way. Log x to the power x, here log root 7 power x into root 7 power x. And we know that one thing, if we have log, suppose a into b, so this can be right in this way, log a plus log b, we can write in this way. Therefore we have next step, x to the power x, log x to the power x. Here this one is, this product is going into form of addition, so log root 7 x plus log root 7 power 7. Now this one can be solved by using this formula, log a to the power, suppose m, so m will come in front of log a. So here we have this one, x into log x, and here we have x log root 7 plus 7 log root 7. Now we know that all the variables should be on the left side, that's why I am putting this one on left side. So here plus sign is there, that will change into negative sign once it will go to the left. So here we have x log x minus x log root 7 is equal to, we have 7 log root 7. Now I am taking common, so x log x minus log root 7 equal to 7 log root x root 7. And finally here we can put this, this term is already in this way, log x minus log root 7, so that can be solved in this way, that is, this is in the division form. So we have log, that is in this way, suppose I am writing in this way, x log x by root 7, that is equal to 7 log root 7. This one can be achieved by using this formula, and that formula is, suppose I have log a minus log b, so we can write log a divided by b. So by using this formula we can achieve this line. And here if something is there in this form, so we have one formula, that is, suppose m into log, suppose a, so this can be write as log a to the power m. So I'm just going to use this formula to solve this one. So we have log x root 7, and there is a power x over here in this way. So, and this one can be write as 7, will be just power of root 7. So log root 7, and this power is here. Now both side we have log, so we can remove this log and we can write here that is x by root 7 power, we have x, and here we have root 7 power 7. Both side I'm raising power, 1 by root 7. So this one can be achieved in this way, that is x root 7. X is already there, but I am raising one more power, that is 1 upon root 7, and here root 7 and 7, one more power, 1 upon root 7. So this is going to cancel, and we have root 7 over here. So this one is going to cancel, and we have root 7. So this will give us result in this way: x by root 7 power x by root 7, that is equal to root 7 power root 7. So now you can easily say that here x upon root 7, x upon root 7, and here root 7 power root 7, same base same power. That's why we have this conclusion that x upon root 7 is equal to root 7, and this implies that x is equal to root 7 into 7, that is 7, and this is our solution. X is equal to root 7 into root 7, that is x is equal to 7. This is our solution. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.